Namaskar and welcome to video lecture on product design engineering. In previous lecture, we have discussed on some important point of unit number 1. These important point are: first, introduction and concept of product design; second, trigger for product or process; third, disassembling existing product; fourth, sketches of product; fifth, fitting the components. Now, in this video lecture, we are going to discuss on reverse engineering concept; second, case study of product in market and underlying principle; third, case study of product failures; and last, public or society perception of product and its input into the product design. First one, reverse and concurrent engineering concept. Reverse engineering is the process of carefully dismantling a product and understanding its design, developing a product which is better than the existing one. We can use the basic concept of reverse engineering is to understand the design complexity of the product and come up with the mature design. A more tough design or design which is better than the existing design, that is the basic concept of reverse engineering. This flow diagram shows the reverse engineering. First we have a product, then we study on that product, means engineering a product. Engineering a product known as the process of every aspect of a product like planning, designing and manufacturing are laid down in this process. Then finally we get a one concept regarding that product. This whole process is known as reverse engineering. Second, concurrent engineering. It is also known as simultaneous engineering. It is the method of designing and developing a product in which the different stages are run simultaneously rather than consequently. Concurrent engineering is a technique which is used to save time and to make up our product competitive. So it decreases the product development time and also the time to market, leading to improved productivity and reduce the cost. We have a concurrent concept regarding that product. Then we study on that product. It means engineering product, also known as the process of every aspect like a product like planning, designing, manufacturing are led in this process. Then finally we get a product. This whole process is known as concurrent engineering. Then second point, case study of products in markets. The product name is Total Station. Total Station is collect and process a large amount of data. This instrument is used with the ease of using the digital technology. Large amount of data get processed with the help of processor and which is transferred to the computers, which will be received, manipulate, process data as quickly. Then next point, important operation of a total station. First, distance measurement; second, angle measurement; third, data processing; fourth, electronic book; fifth, display. Basic engineering of total station. Distance measurement. Electronic distance measure varies from 2 to 4 km with the accuracy of 5 mm. Angle measurement. Horizontal as well as vertical angle is measured with the help of accuracy of 2 to 6 seconds. The photograph. Measure the height of points which is inaccessible. This shows in the photograph. Microprocessor. Microprocessor is provided with the total station which is capable of applying temperature and pressure correction to the measurement. Also make an average of multiple observation with the help of slope, distance, vertical and horizontal angle measured. Display. Electronic display capable of displaying horizontal angle, horizontal distance and vertical distance. Electronic books. Each point will be stored in electronic book. The capacity of book is 2000 to 4000 points data. Accessories of total session we shown in the photographs. These photographs, some important accessories, information regarding that accessories which is shown in the right side of the presentation, right side of the photograph. Then third point, case study of product failures. The reason for new product failure. There are 8 reasons. First one, poor design. We'd change the design to improve on efficiency, comfort, durability of a product. We need to optimize based on the ergonomic principle. The design has evolved so many years, hence the poor design is one of the reason of the product failure. Then incorrect position, wrong timing and price rate too high. The incorrect position and wrong timing of a product launch is one of the reason of the product price rate too high. If product is not competitive cost wise. Then fifth, management influence. Management influence is also equally important because sometimes complete support of management to the product has advertised properly, therefore product gain in the market and lead to the successful. Sixth one, high development cost. Seven, competition. And eight, last one, overestimation of the market size. These eight reasons of a new product failure. Rail bridge is one of the product which is used to transfer the train across the river. There is one example of product failure regarding rail bridge, the Rafiganj rail bridge accident. It said that the plate girder had deteriorated over time, was losing its strength in fatigue due to the vibration from the trains. Nobody paid attention over the period of service. The bridge was rusted, which is internally to reduce the strength. So, when the train was passing, the plate of girder gave up, leading to the fatal crash. This is the example of product failure. Then last one, public or society perception of product and its input into the product design. Low cost houses. We need for low cost houses in India is massive in proportion. Exact estimates are still to be worked out, but government sources say that 2 crore houses units are required in the country, 90% of which are low cost houses. Hence, central government has launched a mission called Housing for All by 2022 and also has provided initiative to builder in Union Budget 2016-17. As per the provision, 100% deduction for profit to 100% deduction for profit to affordable housing scheme, under which home will built up to 30 square meter in the 4 urban cities and 60 square meter in the other cities. There have been many efforts to build low-cost houses across the country. Most innovative among them, the method created by IIT Madras students who have built low-cost, eco-friendly houses by using the glass fiber reinforced gypsum panels. They have successfully built a house unit which have constructed within the month using the prefabricated GFRG panel made from the waste of gypsum. The low-cost house of 500 square feet 500 square feet cost around Indian rupees 5,75,000 only. Not only the house can be built within the month, this construction is eco-friendly as well. Gypsum, which is dumped over a large area as a waste, is being used effectively. The only disadvantage is that the gypsum panel cannot be used to build curved structure, but concrete can be used to accomplish curved structure. These panels are being manufactured at Fact RCB Building Product Limited in Kochi. Proposals are being proposed with the Indian government to set up a manufacturing unit to produce GFRG panel across the country to further scale down the transportation cost of this panel. For regarding low cost housing policy, please refer the link which given below. The summary of video lecture on unit number 1 is that first, product design process. Second, disassembling existing product. Third one, sketching of component. Fourth, fitting of component. Fifth, reverse and concurrent engineering concept. Sixth, case studies of product in market. Seventh, case studies of product failure. And last, ninth, public's or society perception of product and its input into the product design. Thank you so much.